Welcome to Intelligence Technology, your daily briefing on artificial intelligence, gadgets, and global tech trends. The Brazilian government has officially launched a massive infrastructure project aimed at developing domestic artificial intelligence capabilities. President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva confirmed that over half of the total funding comes from international partners. Specifically, 1.3 billion reais will be dedicated to building a supercomputing hub in Rio de Janeiro. This facility is being developed through a strategic partnership involving China's Huawei Technologies and the US firm iFlytek. The primary objective of this investment is to create advanced large language models tailored for the Brazilian market. Despite aggressive government targets, India's battery storage capacity remains critically low as of August 21, 2026. A recent report highlights that the nation has only commissioned 2 gigawatt-hours of cell manufacturing capacity globally. This figure stands in stark contrast to China's cumulative capacity, which now exceeds 2,695 gigawatt-hours. The disparity exists because China controls between 85 and 98% of every major supply chain component from cathode to electrolyte. Delays in technology transfer, financing mechanisms, and execution timelines are pushing full self-reliance a decade further away. Exclusive planning documents have revealed that a proposed hyperscale data center in North Ockenden will generate an annual carbon footprint equivalent to 27,000 flights from London to New York. This facility is expected to emit over 1 million tons of carbon dioxide every single year. Environmental groups argue this output makes the project fundamentally incompatible with UK net zero targets. The sheer scale of energy consumption required for such a data center raises serious questions about future sustainability goals. Significant new agreements were signed in Bengaluru between Indian industry bodies and a delegation led by Dubai Chamber's President Mohammad Ali Rashid Luta. These memorandums of understanding seek to formally expand India-UAE ties in artificial intelligence and broader trade sectors. The existing investment in Dubai already supports 55,000 jobs across the region with a total value of $9.3 billion. During the visit, the delegation held 8 distinct meetings with various Indian companies and emerging technology startups. These discussions focused on creating new frameworks for cross-border data exchange and joint research initiatives. The Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Volume 2 has been released across PC, Nintendo Switch 2, PS5, and Xbox Series X platforms. Konami states the second collection remasters 3 additional titles from the illustrious stealth espionage series. While the world depicted in these games has changed little since their original releases, fans note a recurring theme of war evolving over time. Old Snake famously claims that war has changed within the narrative context of Metal Gear Solid 4. Critics argue that despite the remastering efforts, the core gameplay mechanics and environmental storytelling remain largely static compared to modern titles. Subscribe now to never miss the next bulletin on intelligence technology.